All right, YouTube, back with another video. Got the supercharger out. I'm just covering up. I'm gonna clean this all up here. That's the E85 injectors. One of the gaskets came off, but I gotta make sure this is down good so I can cover it up for the night. Got all my stuff off of here. All right, just working on the supercharger real quick. We're taking the sensors all out because they don't want the sensors to be on it. I'm gonna remove the stout. You gotta remove this piece off of here too, Lee. And then they want me to send it pretty much bare. I don't know if that included taking that off or not. That's all the coolers. Found two of the bolts loose on my cooler. The other side was torqued, but the other side was just loose by finger. Surprised it didn't leak, but that's another story. Got the lid off. That's the release valve right there. All right, get that sensor out. Just turn it back and forth. Don't wiggle hard. Just, there you go. Back and forth and pull up. Or get a screwdriver under it. Here, watch your fingers. Ready? Pick up. You got to pick up on the other side too at the same time. There you go. That one's labeled. Gasket on it.
Don't touch the sensor.
Okay, will you give me the thing, please? All right. I don't know if you think this is pretty cool or not. Let me show you this real quick. I put a Dodge light below my desk. Thought that was pretty cool.
Oh, that's why you can get it off.
All right.
The second one wasn't releasing in the back.
Put that so it says in to the snout, you know what I'm saying? Make things easier. Let me show you inside the supercharger here real quick. I see some mesh marks, but just a little rough there, but nothing else. You know what I mean? It doesn't look like nothing got in there. It just looks like we're meshed together. It goes pretty freely, but listen. Yeah.
Here, I'll turn it for you.
Yeah, it's got to be the bearings up in here, but again, it's going to go on out. They'll probably clean it up and everything. And then I'm going to clean the top of the engine. Get this all prepped up to go out. Get it out by 12 o'clock by UPS. That throttle body sounds awesome on this car, it really does. I'm gonna leave everything all set up on my cart so this way I can put everything right back together. And then hopefully get this out of here. I missed driving it for a little bit, but it's done. I was procrastinating, but I don't want the supercharger to have a catastrophic failure and have a whole bunch of other problems. But I gotta get back to this project yet. 5.7 Hemi. Get this all back together. Just waiting on parts. So we get to drive the Ram. We never drive the Ram no more, so it's time to drive it.